Tell me a fairy tale story.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess who lived in a castle. Every day she looked out her window and wished for something more exciting than the life she had. One day, a mysterious stranger appeared and offered the princess an adventure. He said that if she followed him, he would take her to a magical realm filled with wonders beyond her wildest dreams. Intrigued, the princess accepted. Together, they set off on a journey of a lifetime. Along the way, they encountered strange creatures, battled fierce monsters, and made new friends. Eventually, the princess reached the magical realm and found herself living happily ever after.
What happens next to the princess?
The princess explored the magical realm and soon found herself in awe of its beauty. She spent her days discovering new places, meeting new people, and learning about their culture. She eventually found true love and settled down with a prince that she had met during her adventures. Together they lived happily ever after with the knowledge that they would always have each other to rely on.
你把刚才的故事用中文再讲一次。
从前有一个美丽的公主住在城堡里，她每天会看窗外，渴望比现实生活更加刺激的事情。有一天，一个神秘的陌生人出现了，他答应带公主去一个充满奇迹的神奇王国。公主满怀期待地接受了，于是他们开始了一段路途。在旅途中，他们遇到了奇怪的生物，打败了凶猛的怪物，也交上了朋友。最终，公主来到了神奇的王国，幸福地生活在那里。公主继续探索这个王国，很快就被她的美丽所震撼。她每天都在发现新的地方，遇见新的人，学习他们的文化。最终，她找到了真正的爱情，和她在旅途中遇到的王子结婚了。他们一起幸福地生活在一起，知道只要彼此相依，就能一直快乐下去。